Well, we needed to get drugs directly to where seizures come from. We thought that if we applied the drugs directly to the source of the seizures, we could get a much better effect from the drugs. And as well, we could give only a small dose of the drug and avoid a lot of the side effects that normally come through giving the drug orally. So if we can get them straight to brain, hopefully we can get better results quicker and with less side effects. We chose sodium valproate because it was available in a suitable formulation. As well, valproate's known to be effective against focal seizures, and we thought that it would be a good one to start with because we understood a lot about the safety profile and its metabolism, so it seemed a good place to start. Unfortunately though, no drugs have ever been given in this way, so we were flying blind to a great extent, and so using a very new agent we thought probably wasn't the best idea, and that if we sat with something that at least we were familiar with from our standard clinical use, we'd have a better appreciation of what side effects to expect. We've seen really great results so far and really unexpectedly good. So giving the drug in this way brings around tremendous impact on the seizures. So patients have all had dramatic impact on their seizures, some completely seizure free. And that in this group of patients was quite unexpected. As well though, we saw that the patients could tolerate these very high doses. And we only had a little bit of information about what levels to expect in humans, but we're seeing about somewhere between 2 and 20 times those levels in the spinal fluid from these patients. So incredibly high concentrations, and yet they're not getting the sort of side effects that we expected. So a lot of things that we appreciate normally are related to neurotoxicity, such as tremor and drowsiness and so on. We don't seem to be getting those, nor do we get appetite increase and other problems which so often complicate the use of valproate given by mouth. And I guess it's given us new perspective on the origin of these side effects, whether they all are actually central side effects or whether they actually develop through other mechanisms. So I think we've got a lot to learn there about how the drugs work and how they produce their side effects just by seeing what happens when we give them in this way.